Good. Ready? Yep. Okay, we're going to start with the chest muscles right now. We're going to start from the inferior, work up towards the head. The muscle that you see here is xiphi humerales. Starts at the xiphoid process and it's going to insert on the humerus. Xiphi humerales. This is pectoralis minor. The next muscle that you see is pectoralis major. And finally, the ribbon-like muscle that you see that goes from the sternum over to the elbow, that is pecto antebrachialis. Any musculature that you see underneath or deep to pecto antebrachialis is still part of the pectoralis major. So again, xiphi humerales, pectoralis minor, pectoralis major, and pecto antebrachialis. As far as your abdomen muscles go, you've got external obliques. These are the fibers the fibers are running like you're putting your hands in your pocket. You have the internal obliques, which is that layer that you see right there. We're going to reflect that back to expose the transverse abdominis. And finally, the sit-up muscles or the six-pack muscles that you see here, the fibers are running vertically. That layer of muscle is the rectus abdominis. Again, rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, internal oblique, and external oblique being your